Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible highway system inside your body, your blood vessels. It's a fascinating network that keeps you alive and kicking every single second. So, let's get started. First up, what exactly are blood vessels? Think of them as a massive, intricate network of tubes that carry blood to every single part of your body. They are absolutely essential for transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and even for carrying away waste products. Without them, our cells wouldn't get what they need to survive. There are three main types of blood vessels, and each has a very specific job: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Let's break them down one by one, starting with the powerhouses of the system. The arteries. Arteries are the vessels that carry blood away from the heart. Imagine your heart is the central pumping station. Every time it beats, it pushes blood out with tremendous force. Arteries are built to handle this pressure. They have thick, muscular, and elastic walls. This structure allows them to expand and contract with each heartbeat, helping to push the blood along its journey. The space inside, called the lumen, is relatively small, which helps maintain that high pressure, ensuring blood reaches even the furthest parts of your body quickly. Think of arteries as the major highways leaving a bustling city. They're wide, strong, and built for high-speed traffic moving outward. Now, if arteries are the highways leading out, veins are the roads bringing everything back. The main function of veins is to carry blood toward the heart. By the time the blood gets to the veins, it has traveled a long way and lost much of its pressure. So, veins don't need the same thick, muscular walls that arteries do. Their walls are much thinner, and their lumen, or inner space, is larger. This larger space accommodates the slower, lower-pressure blood flow. But here's a cool feature of veins. Because the pressure is so low, especially in your limbs, there's a risk of blood flowing backward due to gravity. To solve this, veins are equipped with special one-way valves. These tiny flaps open to let blood flow toward the heart, but snap shut if it tries to flow backward. It's a brilliant, simple mechanism that ensures blood always keeps moving in the right direction, completing its circuit back to the heart. So we have the big arteries carrying blood away and the large veins bringing it back. But how does the blood actually deliver its precious cargo to the individual cells? That's where our third type of blood vessel comes in, the capillaries. Capillaries are the microscopic vessels that connect arteries to veins. They form a vast, intricate network that weaves through every tissue and organ in your body. If arteries are the highways and veins are the main return roads, then capillaries are the tiny neighborhood streets where all the deliveries and pickups happen. Their structure is perfectly designed for this job. The walls of capillaries are incredibly thin, only one single cell thick. This extreme thinness allows for easy exchange. Oxygen and nutrients can pass from the blood through the capillary wall and into the surrounding body cells. At the same time, waste products like carbon dioxide can move from the cells back into the blood to be carried away. It's this constant vital exchange in the capillaries that truly sustains our bodies. Let's visualize this with a simple diagram. Imagine we draw a cross-section of an artery. We'd give it a very thick, muscular wall and a relatively small, circular hole in the middle for the lumen. We usually color arteries red in diagrams because they typically carry oxygen-rich blood. Next, we'd draw a vein. Its wall would be much thinner, and a lumen would be larger and perhaps a bit more irregular in shape. Crucially, we'd draw little flap-like structures inside to represent the valves. We often color veins blue because they carry deoxygenated blood, which is darker in color. Finally, connecting the artery to the vein, we'd draw a network of incredibly fine lines. These are the capillaries. They are so tiny you can only see them with a microscope, branching out to reach every single cell before collecting back into a small vein or venule. So, let's recap the entire journey. Oxygen-rich blood is pumped with high pressure from the heart into the arteries. These strong, elastic arteries branch into smaller and smaller arterioles, carrying the blood throughout the body. These arterioles then lead into the massive network of capillaries. Here, the exchange happens. Oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the cells, and waste products are picked up. After passing through the capillaries, the now deoxygenated blood enters small veins called venules. These venules merge to form larger and larger veins. The veins, with their one-way valves, carry the blood under low pressure back to the heart. Once it reaches the heart, the blood is pumped to the lungs to pick up more oxygen, and the whole amazing cycle starts all over again. This entire system, from the largest artery to the tiniest capillary, works seamlessly together, beating by beating, minute by minute, for our entire lives. It's a perfect example of how structure is directly related to function in biology. The thick walls of arteries are for high pressure, the valves in veins are for low pressure return, and the ultra-thin walls of capillaries are for efficient exchange. It's a truly remarkable system, and understanding it gives you a whole new appreciation for the incredible machine that is the human body. That's all for our journey through the blood vessels today. I hope you found this tour of your internal highway system as fascinating as I do. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the wonders of the human body. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.